Everybody keeps saying that their executor is the best, but most of them literally crash when you try to inject. So today I'm gonna rank every major Roblox executor in 2026, from actual insane executors to the executors that still need a lot of improvements. So I made this Roblox executor list, and we have all the major Roblox executors in 2026. Windows executors, Mac executors, Android and iOS. We got everything, guys. Remember, guys, this list is personal, so it's not an official ranking. I will give my personal opinion on all exploits and then rank them. Remember that if you want the best paid exploits for the cheapest price ever, guys, there is today's sponsor. And today's video is sponsored by Roblox Cheats, a website where you can discover premium tools like Cellular, Bunny and Wave and much more, all in one place. Use the code Mirko to get a discount, and the link is in the pinned comment. As always, use those tools in private games because those are not allowed on public servers. Okay, so the first exploit we have in the list is Bytebreaker. Bytebreaker is a completely keyless exploit that is free and has a good reputation because the developer is very trusted. It has two versions, the V1 and the V2. The V2 uses Velocity API, so it's a little unstable, but the V1 actually works very good and also has a working decompiler. If you want a stable executor that doesn't crash and has no key and can execute basically every simple script, for example, if you want to have fun, Bytebreaker is the best choice. If you don't want to crash, just use the V1. So I'm gonna put Bytebreaker in the actually good tier. I'm not gonna put it in the king one because it doesn't have 100% SNC. Some complex scripts are not working on it. And now, guys, we have neuronally. This executor is also keyless. It's brand new and they still need to add a lot of stuff. For example, the multiple instance is not there, and the SNC actually, guys, is very low, 46%. Cannot run a lot of scripts with this exploit, and I'm gonna put it in the mid but works. But if they update, it could easily get into the king tier, guys, because it has a lot of potential. Now, guys, we have Codex. Codex is an Android executor that actually updates very fast, but it's not the fastest one on Android. And yeah, later on in the video I'm gonna tell you which Android executor updates the fastest. The SNC is 96%, so it's not the highest one on Androids, and I'm gonna put it in the mid but works because I think there are better Android executors. Now we have another Android executor, which is Vega X. This one has 98% SNC and actually updates very quickly. It's faster than Codex. It has a key system, but overall it's very stable for Android users. I'm gonna put this executor probably in the actually good tier. Now let's talk about Cryptic. Cryptic has 97% SNC. Currently it doesn't update for like 2 weeks, so I don't know what's going on for this exploit. So right now it hasn't been working for a while, so I'm gonna put it here because 2 weeks without updates is kinda long. Now Delta, guys, it's another Android executor and it's probably the last one of the Android list. It has 100% SNC. It's currently undetected. It has a decompiler and also a key system, sadly. But yeah, with the SNC of 100% you can execute any script. It also updates very fast, faster than Vega X. That's why, guys, this is the first exploit that actually goes in the king. This is the best executor that you can get on Android. I never showcased it, but yeah, this is actually good if you're on Android. And also, guys, Delta is the only executor that works also on iOS, and yeah, guys, king tier. Now we have Mac Exploit. Mac Exploit is currently a paid executor for Mac OS. It is currently not working and hasn't been updated in a lot, guys. It's been almost 20 days, guys. It has 100% SNC. The price is $10 for lifetime, which is a good price. It also has a decompiler, the multi-inject. It's actually very good for a Mac exploit, but it is not working. So right now, 20 days without an update, I'll put it here. Now we have a paid executor for Windows. We are talking about Searhart. This exploit actually updates very fast. The price starts from $2 weekly. Also, thanks to today's sponsor, guys. Remember to check the description if you want the cheapest prices. It has a SNC of 94%. It's not detected, and yeah, it updates very fast. One of the quickest to update. In my opinion, the price is good. The exploit overall is very stable. That's why I'm gonna put it in the actually good tier. Now we have Opiumware. Opiumware is a free macOS executor and is the last one for Mac. It's completely free. It has 100% SNC. It is undetected. It has a decompiler, multi-inject, and the crazy thing, guys, is that it is working. So actually, I might change the tier list, guys, because this exploit is completely free for Mac. I'm gonna put it in the king tier. It's probably the best one you can use on Mac, and Mac exploit makes no sense. It hasn't been updated for 20 days, guys. It is paid $10 lifetime, yeah, but it is not working. working, and there is a free exploit that updates faster and is free. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in hell now. Now we have Synapse Z. Synapse Z is one of the best executors that you can get on Windows. It basically replaced Synapse X. It is paid. The price starts from $4 weekly. And again, today's sponsor, link in the description, cheapest price. Okay, I will stop saying that, sorry. Actually, it updates fast, but in the latest update, it's taking longer. Overall, the SNC is 98%. It has multi-inject, it is undetected, and also has a decompiler. I'm gonna put it in the actually good tier. And now we have Wave. Wave is another paid exploit for Windows, 100% SNC. The price is a little bit higher. It starts from $6 for a weekly key. The SNC is 100%. It is undetected and also has a decompiler and also supports multi-inject. And yeah, Wave is one of the fastest to update. It only took them 30 minutes to update in the last update. So if it wasn't for the price, guys, I will put it in the king tier. I'm gonna put it in the actually good one. The price actually matters for me in the executors. So this tier list is not only valuing how powerful an exploit is and how stable it is, but also how fast it updates and how much it costs or if it's free. Now we have Velocity. Velocity is a free executor. It's completely keyless. Right now it is patched. It's taking a lot of time to update recently. It has a SNC of 94%, has a decompiler and a multi-inject. I'm gonna put Velocity in the actually good tier. And sometimes Velocity crashes, guys, and I think they have to fix something, but overall, yeah, it is actually good. Now we have Vault. Vault is a paid executor. It is currently not working right now. It's not updated yet. The price is $6 weekly, like Wave. It has multi-inject, UNC 98%, so a little bit lower than Wave. It also has a decompiler and it's undetected. Vault is the best one if you want to use multiple instances because it has a lot of functions, but it's a really specific case and it is not updated, but usually they update very fast. I'm gonna put it in the actually good tier because I really liked how they handled the multiple inject function. Now guys, we have Potassium. Potassium is a paid exploit. It's probably the fastest one that updates every time. I have been checking Roblox Executor status and literally, guys, it is always the fastest one that updates. The price is $23 lifetime, so you don't have to pay every month. That's what I like about its exploit. The price is similar to what Synapse X was some years ago. You get an exploit that updates fast. You only pay once. SNC 100%, multiple inject and the compiler. And like, guys, it never crashed for me when I used it. That's why Potassium goes to the king tier. It's the only lifetime executor on Windows, so shout out to them, guys. Now we have Xeno. I think Xeno deserves a lot, guys. It only has one developer and it brought back exploits to Windows after the Bifront update. The SNC is not the highest, but you can execute simple script. The SNC is 40%. It has multiple inject. Right now it is patched. It has only one developer and right now he is studying for an exam, so good luck to the developer of Xeno. I'm gonna put it in mid, but works. Now we have the real executor. The executor is brand new and is in beta, but guys, I think this is gonna probably be one of the best ones when it gets out of the beta. It will stay free forever. They will just add a simple key system. Every time you do a step in the link vertex, for example, you get 1 day of license, so you can spam them, get it monthly if you do it 30 times. It has 100% SNC, doesn't crash, can run any script, guys, has a working decompiler, and the UI is beautiful, and it has been made by trusted developers in the community. So for now, I'm gonna put it in the actually good, but probably one day I will put in the king tier. And guys, actually Real is the only free executor that is working right now. They updated very fast, so it's so close to being put in the king tier. I just want to see what happens when it comes out of the beta, guys, so I'm gonna wait. Maybe I will make an updated video. Now let's talk about Yab X. Has 100% SNC, doesn't crash, and right now it is not working. It also has a decompiler and multiple inject, but I think the key system is a little bit too long. It took me 10 minutes last time. I'm gonna put it in the actually good. If it had a simple key system, I will put it in the king tier, but in the comments I also see people that have issues with the key system. They can't get to the page, so it has some bugs. Now we have Cellular. Cellular is a paid executor. The price is $4 weekly. SNC 100%, not detected, has a decompiler, multiple inject, but right now it hasn't been working for 20 days. That's why, sadly, I'm gonna put it in mid, but works. 20 days without updates is a lot. Now the latest one is a free exploit made by Olimad. It's a crazy good exploit. It's completely keyless and doesn't crash. Right now it is not updated, but I'm gonna put it here in the actually good tier list. And boom, guys, this is the final tier list. There is no free exploit in the king tier, but as I said, probably Real will get into it in the next updates. positions. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys, if I should change some positions. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video helped you out to see what exploit is better and what is not. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.